This is going to be our lunch. Char-grilled eggplant. We need some onions.
And all your mates said you said it on the road.
I want them on Macca's.
No, this is better than Macca's.
Should have had open flame capsicums. Do you remember them?
We don't have capsicums.
No, no. I'm sure we've made them for you.
They're
You should eat
stuffed
them.
with mince.
No, you burn the crap out of the skin on the outside. No. But the capsicums are all really soft. But then it's like a bit.
He's explaining about capsicum.
Normal shoes.
I reckon I can get cold.
So I'm just gonna flip this because this will be our lunch.
Eggplant?
Yes. So this is what Deacon and Andy is going to eat for their lunch. See how I just shush shush with a fork.
Swoosh, swoosh, swoosh with the fork.
After you get rid of all that chard, cut that bit. Oh, where's the knife? Cut this.
Annie, you can't stand. I can't get you both in the frame.
Well, get her in the frame.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
Not hard.
Yeah.
Don't get this bit because that's.
It is in the frame.
I don't.
Okay, then you're not in it.
Adjust this. Okay. Cutting it. We can't replay it, Nicole, so cut.
Why does it look like that?
Now it's done.
It looks regurgitated.
Oh, what? No, this will be beautiful. The taste is beautiful.
I don't even like eggplant.
Hey? It's good for you.
Ew. It looks weird close up.
Goodness me. Ah! Okay. Now I'm going to get some of the ingredients.
Ah!
Alright.
Nikki, stop recording.
I just started. Leave me alone.
Okay, we're gonna
You can't even
have
see what's
some
coming.
tomatoes with it. We need some onions.
And all your mates said you said it on the road.
I want them on Macca's.
No, this is better than Macca's. Our ingredients for our char-grilled eggplant or kinilaw eggplant.
It's quite simple.
We have the eggplant, of course, that's been already char-grilled. We have tomatoes,
Wow.
onions, shallots. And in
Shallots.
addition to this, we're going to add coconut milk. First, we have to heat up a little bit of this coconut milk in here, in this
In a
frying
pot,
pan.
it's amazing. Look, on a hot thing.
Make it. Are you recording my armpit, Nicole? Okay, thank you.
Have you got a nice armpit?
Yeah, I do. It's been lasered.
I'm recording.
There is no advertising on this channel.
It's been lasered.
With other things.
I'm recording.
I'm trying to find you out.
Oh, we don't have any heat. Let's move this heat right
The
here.
disadvantage to cooking on a wood stove,
The pot belly is you can just
you can't just heat it up
here.
straight away. You have to do things. Also, there's someone making a lot of noise in the background.
Yeah, this is my music background right now.
Hurry up.
Okay.
There's one left, is there?
Look at that. How beautiful.
If that's beautiful, then I'm cool.
Ah, you're gorgeous. Next, we will add this salt. It's pink Himalayan table salt. And we'll add some black
Okay,
pepper. Black pepper.
Hang on. Nicole's got to go for a pee.
Okay.
Look, there she goes. There she goes.
So,
Off into the bush toilet.
back
Go on
here.
now. Back here now. Come on, hurry up.
So,
Middle day.
can you please stand up? Thank you.
What for?
You can't look at my
Oh my
cooking.
god, you can sort of see it. Jeez.
Focus on my cooking.
Wow.
So,
It doesn't look too good at the moment. Right.
we'll put the
Okay, just throws in the ingredients, boom. I spell on the phone. Tomato,
that.
onion, shallots. Wow, really quick. Boom. Throw it all in, boom. Finish. Slush, slush. Slush, slush. Okay.
And
puke.
see.
That's all good. No, it looks alright.
This will be your lunch, and you said it's puke.
Lovely
And
puke.
our rice is ready.
Oh, look at that. Way, yeah. Okay, that's enough.
Thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And thank you, my husband, my videographer.
Alright. See ya.
Kinilaw na talong and rice. It's ready. Now let's try our eggplant kinilaw na talong. Cindy, thank you for giving me the eggplant. Yummy.
Not thank you. Now we have
Lami.
I'll just put bottom on the table.
Thank you, Nicole, my videographer.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Why are you recording Dolly?